cousin got a new dog, and he's a what's it called? A
Shazam!
No, a Shih Tzu. He been pooping diarrhea all over the floor, and he pooped diarrhea on my blanket.
What if he poop on my Wii U?
You see, he's right there. Let's get. Oh! You smell that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's gross. You have a problem, Cloud. That's his name, Cloud. The dog's name, Cloud. He has a
Named it Snowball.
yeah. He has a real problem of farting and pooping.
Yeah. Hope he don't poop on the charger.
It stinks so bad in here because of Cloud.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna show you Cloud one more time. He's trying to hide right there. Okay, that's the end of this. Wait, no, not yet. Cloud. That's the end of this video. So see you next time. So bye.